Philippines!
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So guys, ito na guys. Linis tayo ng ating living room. Kinuha namin yung rug. Kasi guys, yung rug kailangang linisin. And then, kailangan din itong linisin itong wood floor namin kasi hindi na siya protected. It's been a long time na hindi na siya namin na-applyan ng protection. So yun, at saka tulungan lang kaming mag-asawa. Ganyan naman yung mga kaganapan namin talaga. Tulong-tulong sa pagsulong ng bayan. Joke. Anyway, so yun siya guys, i-vacuum muna. And then pagkatapos ko na siyang i-vacuum, si Mr. na naman, makikita nyo mamaya siya yung anong tawag na steam. Steam niya para makuha yung mga kung ano-ano man yung dumidikit-dikit, okay? So, yun siya. At saka, sayang naman ito kasing floor, guys. At saka, yun, sayang siya kapag hindi siya alagaan kasi maganda talaga yung wood floor, guys, as in. No joke. As in, gustong-gusto ni Mr. magkaroon ng, wood floor. So, ito na yung pangarap niyang wood floor na ito. And then, yan, tapos na po ako. Hey, guys. So, gayon guys, yung rug kinuha namin, nilagay muna namin doon. Anyway, good morning! Good morning sa inyo. So, yun. Kinuha namin yung rug kasi kailangan siyang linisin. And ang gagawin ni Tami, i-stain lang ito. Maganda talaga tong living room pag walang upuan, Upo lang tayo sa sahig. So, ngayon, i-steam niya yung floor kasi para mawala yung amoy. Diba? Moist from the rug. So, yung nakuha namin na galing sa basurahan, guys, yung steamer, inayos ni Tami. Look, inano niya dito, 'di ba? Naghanap siya ng wire, kinunik niya yung wire. And ngayon, look, andito na siya. Light normal. Magamit natin 'yan pang dito sa floor. Steam lang ni Tami and then pagkatapos niyan, yun na. So, yun po yung agenda natin ngayong araw. Sobrang aga. Ang aga namin naglinis kasi sabi ko, ayaw ko na itong rug na to. Kailangan nilinisin na kasi yung abog, yung dust ba, naamoy ko na yung dust. And then also, of course, meron tayong pets, diba? Matagal din siyang hindi nalinis. At hindi ko siya kayang linisin, guys. So, ngaya, ipadala namin yan sa carpet cleaner. Doon namin yan dalhin para talagang malinis. So, yarn. I see the steam. Yeah. Are you like kind of like blind? Yes, serious? Like, do you see the steam in there?
The floor was wet where I've been?
Yeah. And the steaming, you see the smoky thing? Kailangan kong mag-ano sa bedroom dahil guys, linis din ako doon. Pagkatapos dito. Nagpo-fold ako ng damit kanina and then ngayon pagkatapos ko sabi ko dito muna tayo bago sa bedroom kasi i-arrange ko yung bedroom kasi ayaw. Ganito naman ako guys kapag bored. Itutoyo ko ito. Itutoyok natin itong mga gamit sa bahay. I really want a new rug here with something under it but
yeah, we definitely need something under it like we do to the dining.
Yeah. Ang katulong nating mister. So, buti na lang itong mister ko talaga. Tutulong talaga yung mga gawaing bahay. Alam talaga niya guys. So, yun. So, kaya hindi talaga ako nahirapan. And ito na. So, ako na yung nag-apply guys. Kasi sabi ni Tami siya daw. Pero sabi ko ako na kasi iba ito kasi si Tami pag mag-apply guys. Kung sa Bisaya pakalas. So, ako na lang. So, diba nakita yung kaibahan guys sa protection guys. Okay guys, so ngayon guys, tapos nakakong naglagay ng chemical. Dami. Hindi pa namin ibalik itong couch kasi doon yung isa. Hindi mo na namin ibalik kasi gusto namin na fully dry pa siya. So yun yung protection sa floor namin. Kailangan namin. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys ha. So ito po yun siya guys. Quick Shine Floor Luster. This is the cheapest one that we got. Pero guys, meron po ako, iba yung Restore right hand, the other one. Yeah. The other brand, it was like $20 something each or 30. Yeah, $25 something. That was the expensive one and it's really nice guys. Maganda yun siya. This is a Quick Shine, the other one is Restore. So gusto namin yung Restore kasi talaga makikita mo talagang protected yung floor. So yan. At ako naman, kumain kami guys. Mag-edit lang ako ng video. And, so yeah, ito na guys, nag-start na naman yung stressful ko guys. Kapag merong ginagawa itong mister ko guys, nai-stress talaga ako dahil kapag meron niyang ginagawa, maraming mga mangyayaring hindi kaaya-aya. So ngayon, sinira niya yung hose. Ngayon, inisprehan niya yung mata niya. So ngayon, ang daming nangyayari. So, anyway. So, yun, nagsagutan kami kanina dyan sa labas kasi ang tigas ng ulo talaga. Grabe. Anyway guys, so ngayon, aalis na naman kami kasi itong asawa ko hindi kailangan talaga ng maraming mabili. Kailangan gumastos kasi gusto pa niyang gumastos. Sinira niya yung host ko guys. So ngayon, bili na naman kami. Tingnan nyo, sabi ko, maging cameraman ka na lang dong. Look at his biscuits. Look at him. Sabi ko kasi, grabe kasi ito guys. Look, tingnan nyo. Nakakaloka. Pati paghawak ng camera hindi marunong. Yan o. And, what did you do to your eyes, honey? What did you do?
Carburetor cleaner got sprayed in my eyes, burned like hell.
He sprayed his eyes, guys.
Didn't spray my eyes, but sprayed the carburetor and shot back.
How did it shot back?
And hit a hole that was clogged and it shot back.
So guys, ito guys meron siyang in-spray sa machine para pang pressure wash. And then, ngayon, what happened? He sprayed it and then, nag-bounce sa mata niya. Binigyan ko na lang ng towel. Kasi ayaw kong magsalita. Kasi nakakaloka. Ako yung nagagalit na. Kasi ang tigas ng ulo, lurks. Oh, they don't have it. It was here. Wala sila, eh. Parang wala sila, guys. Ang daming bulaklak, oh. Hey, what's there, Tommy? They don't have it. Wala na naging sila. Ito kasi, sinira kasi niya yung hose. Kaya, ang mahal pala guys. Sabi pa niya $7. Pero tignan naman yan. Presyo pala yan. Yan siya. Kaluka naman itong asawa ko. That's the same thing, Tommy. Alam nyo guys, dahil sa kagagarden namin guys, hindi na kami nagluluto ng dinner. Because of our gardening, we decided not to cook dinner. We're just gonna keep spending money and doing yard work. Napagod yung utak at katawan namin guys. Nanonood na lang kami ng TV. So yun, nanonood kami ng TV kasi po, nabuburyo na kami, napapagod. Buryong-buryo na kami sa gasto ng pera. So yun, nagdesisyon na lang ako ditong magluto ng salad. Guys, anyway guys, ito yung pinaka-the best na salad guys. Akala ko guys, ayaw ko ng arugula. Pero guys, ang sarap pala ng arugula with cheese. Mozzarella cheese at saka yung tomato. Grabe talaga guys. Hindi ako mahilig sa salad guys. Pero ito guys, kain ako ng kain. Refreshing. Grabe. I-try ninyo ito guys. Yung cherry tomato, arugula, and then yung cheese. Yun ang mozzarella cheese. Fresh yung binili namin. May kamahalan din. Grabe. Ang ilagay nyo lang oil. Oil, kaunting lemon, kaunting garlic powder, onion powder, paminta, at saka yun, oregano, konting oregano na Yun, grabe, ang sarap siya guys, as in. Hindi ko talaga inasahan, akala ko, ayaw kong kakain ito kasi po, arugula, maiba yung lasa talaga ng arugula. Pero pag ito na pala, grabe guys, itry ninyo guys, bili kayo ng arugula. May mga arugula naman, hindi na siya kailangan i-wash. Pre-wash na siya. So, malinis na siya. Ang gagawin nyo na lang is, yung tomato i-wash. And then, ang mahal dito is yung cheese talaga. $8. Maliit lang. So, yun yung mga sitami yung ko season. Kasi, alam nyo, kapag, ako kasi, hindi, siya kasi yung talagang gumagawa nung una. Sabi ko, gawa mo nga ito ulit. So, ginawa niya ulit. So, yun yung ano namin, dinner namin. And, ang saya lang kasi, meron at kong nadiskubrihan na magustuhan ko pala itong ganitong salad. Hindi yung mga lettuce. Parang boring naman yung lettuce. Puro ng lettuce. Pero ito arugula talaga at saka cheese at saka ano, diba? Ang gandang tignan. Labi na leftover, guys. Oh, pag leftover na ito, sobrang. I-try nyo, guys. The best salad po of the year. Charot! So, he is feeding his kids. And I thought he's not going to feed them. Akala ko hindi niya pakakainin. Let them suffer. This Sir Tommy, I need help.
She needs help, guys. It really does.
I'm going
If
to...
anybody's a psychiatrist, please come over.
That's how mean he is,
Help.
guys.
She needs help.
That's how mean he is. I need your help.
She's a speech therapist. Guys, have her point the camera to her face so you see what that face looks like right now. Oh no, now you're gonna smile if we put the camera. No. Show them the face you're making.
Okay, I need help to roll that rug that I clean. That I can how do you call this?
Move it.
I can move it to the basement
Come on, Rox.
because it's going to rain. This is our routine, guys. Every something minute of our life, feeding the kids. Excuse me, guys. Okay, guys.
5:48.
Oh my god, guys. So this is a mini vlog, guys. This is a quick update for our vlog, for our Facebook friends. Yes, this is who it is. Tay na 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 na. Tay na 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 na. Boom chakala kala I wanna dila.
All right, guys, we're going out and do the carpet. But now I had my coffee.
He loves coffee, guys. Anyway, guys.
Even
he's
Marianne spitting in. I saw her.
I drink.
She spit in it, guys.
Honey.
I watched her spit in it.
And I drink. Honey?
She went.
This is how this is how he doesn't really trust me, guys. I don't understand. For everything, guys, he really think I'm just a bad wife spitting his coffee. And yeah, we need this table go back because now we don't have a rug. I plan to put the small rugs here. Kasi guys, makikita nyo sa vlog, guys, we've been cleaning. So this is who he is. Why, you don't want the small rugs? So anyway, guys, it's already 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the evening. Pero maganda pa sa labas, hayag pa. And sinusundan ko lang si Tommy sa mini vlog natin. I don't understand why he get this. Pero this is for what? Why you get that?
I want to plug that refrigerator in so we can see if it's working.
Working. Okay, working. So kasi guys, mag-party po tayo dito sa bahay. Karaoke lang guys with friends, people that I know, I meet. You know, hindi naman ako close sa ibang mga tao guys, pero meron tayong nakakilalang mga ibang tao. So, ang gagawin ko is mag-karaoke lang dito sa labas ng bahay. And yun. And itry niya ito kasi lagyan namin ng inuman. Kailangan ko ditong maglinis, inuman, yun. And diba? Hopefully mag-works. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.